Hey everybody, Brian from Bear Bull Traders here. Sunday, November 11th. And I'm going to switch to doing swing trading videos. Now, in our room, Bear Bull Traders, we've got lots of members that are day trading. They're all posting their recaps and videos of their trades. And there's lots of great ideas, great trades posted. And rather than just add on to all those other posts, I thought I'd switch to swing trading, which a number of our members have asked for information on and interest in and expressed an interest in. So I'm going to switch to doing the swing trading. We've got a swing trading forum set up now, and we're just going to start building out that aspect of trading as time goes on. We'll continue to focus on day trading, obviously. That's certainly not going to go by the wayside, but we're just looking at maybe seeing if there's some people that might be interested in doing some more swing trading. So let's just start by taking a high-level view of where the market's been over the last couple of years. It's kind of interesting to see how it's been trading. You go back to here into 2015, pretty flat, and then we had some volatility at the end of the year. And then 2016, after this sort of double bottom, we had a real nice trend higher right through 2016 and into 2017. And kind of interesting here, you can see how the 9 moving average moves away from the 20. This is a weekly chart, as you can see. And you can also see how we end that run with a sort of a crescendo of buyers late to the party coming in, the fear of missing out, and we get this crescendo of buying followed by a couple weeks of hard selling. So always that's when things start going parabolic, you've really got to be, if you're long, you've really got to be pushing the sell button. So anyway, we kind of did a double bottom here at the beginning of the year, 2018, and then we've kind of been trending up again. We tried to break out to a new level, and we actually did push through a new high, but a bit of a double top there, failed on the weekly. And as everybody knows, we last couple of weeks have been pretty harsh if you've been long. And last 2 weeks we had a bit of a bounce, but here's where we are right now, and we're back at this level of resistance is what I think it is, and I think we're going to have trouble getting through this. If we do, we may be testing this level, but which is the 285, 290 on the SPY. I kind of doubt that we're going to get there in the short term. I think we're going to see some chop, and we may even test. My bias would be down to the downside. I think we're going to go back and do the same thing that we did here. I think we're going to do another test of this 265 level on the SPY. So I would be looking for more weakness at this point. I do like to look at sort of what's performing well and what isn't. So this is the FinViz site. And you can see here, well, one day doesn't really tell you very much on what's performing and what isn't, because obviously, in a bad market, you can still get sectors that are performing okay. But what I see here is a lot of the defensives are performing pretty well. The healthcares, the utilities, obviously very defensive. Utilities is extremely defensive stock. Consumer goods, another one, obviously everyone needs to buy toothpaste. So you look at the 1 week, 1 month performance. There's utilities popping up again, healthcare popping up again. Everyone needs healthcare. Financials have been doing okay, although they've been a consummate laggard in this market for the last couple of years. Consumer goods, there they are again. So again, and there you are again with all your sort of defensives. So right now, technology is sort of the dog right now, whereas it was the performer through earlier part of this year, and but the last 6 months has really been, and even 1 year, it's been really hit hard. So yeah, those are the ones that I think you want to be in the defensives if you're looking for something longer term. So let's look at a trade I did here on Friday, swing trade. I posted this in the forum. CL, which was Colgate, was strong all day, and I noted that from being in the day trading room and just seeing it was really up strong on a otherwise really bad, not a great day for the Dow. It was down quite a bit, but CL was up. So I took a position here at 63, 62 and a half is kind of where I'm thinking my stop will be on the day. And I'm hoping to get back up to this sort of 65 level. So I've got a decent risk to reward on that for a trade, and we'll see how that plays out. Took a small position because I was holding over the weekend and got in late. Didn't get a great entry. I would have liked to have gotten an entry, back here at 62 would have been much better. See, it came back up and closed the gap. So yeah, like I said, we'll see how that works out. It would have been much better trade and that's again another reason I took a small position because it was, I was late to the trade. USO is another one I'll be watching next week for a swing trade, maybe a day or two. Again, people probably know the story. It's been, October it really started to sell off. Would have been a great short because, you can kind of see every little pullback is just meets with more sellers. So it's been falling hard, and I would expect that it's so extended right now. It may fall another day or so, but then I think it's so far extended to the downside. I'm expecting to see a bounce, so I'll watch for that. So that's kind of how things are setting up right now. I'm going to see how the market opens on Monday, and we'll see what happens from there. We'll be in the day trading room, obviously, at Bear Bull Traders. If you guys are interested in swing trading and want to do more research, if you're kind of a beginner, this is my book. It's just published on Amazon, getting some good reviews. And it's a beginner's guide, but I also think that there's if you haven't done a lot of swing trading, if you've done other trading, you haven't done a lot of swing trading, there's a couple strategies that I use that you probably would find helpful. And yeah, so if you want to check that out, that would be great too. That's it, guys and gals. Have a great rest of the weekend, what's left of it, and we will see you in the room tomorrow if you're joining us at Bear Bull Traders. Otherwise, good luck next week. Bye for now.